Hey, what's up everyone? Here today we got a 2017 Jeep Renegade. We upgraded the head unit to this Sony Ax210. Bluetooth, has Sirius XM, also does Apple Carplay, Android Auto, which we'll show you here. It's off the factory USB. Plug your iPhone in. Activates Apple CarPlay. There you have it, right on the screen. Unplug your phone, goes right back to the factory radio. We also included a backup camera. Pops up when you throw it in reverse. Put it back in park and drive, goes right back to the radio. We also added blind spot monitoring, 2 LEDs. There you guys have it. 2017 Jeep Renegade. Thank you for watching.